Thank you.
Forgotten Forest.
Have a good night.
You too. Come on in. I've been waiting for you.
I bet you have. We're coming in.
Oh, here we go. Ooh.
I'm bored.
Oh, I don't know if I like that. That's creepy. We're not going anywhere, right?
Now it ain't the smoothest ride in the world, but
No.
as long as gravity don't take us the rest of the way down, we'll be all right.
Okay.
This big end.
Let's hope that doesn't happen.
Tunnel 6.
Here we are.
It ain't over yet, Joanna.
It's not.
Nope. Right this
Don't
way.
say we're safe until we get off the elevator. Woo. Oh my God.
Oh, we're in a cave.
We went way down.
What about
Is that a freaking spot? Ew! Why would you put those in here? Oh, God, that is a spider!
It's a spider monster. Oh, we're trying to avoid the spider
away.
monster.
Yeah, you got a fly swatter?
Wearing a toxic
We need to kill that thing.
Let's go.
water running.
Okay.
Down here fumigating for the
Yeah, I like
spiders.
that water. Ooh. Well, that's cool. Look at all that dusty equipment. Oh, not
There
that
he
thing
is
again! No!
You're out there.
It's not funny! Ew!
Spiders took
man.
down the airplane.
Broken plane.
That means they're jumping and flying spiders.
No, it doesn't. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a telephone pole.
That's not good.
Uh-oh.
Am I gonna be electrocuted?
I don't know. I hope not.
Oh, yes.
Maybe.
We're getting electrocuted.
Shocked to see you here!
I like it.
Yeah.
As long as you keep those sparks to yourself.
Across the wooden
Ooh,
bridge.
the trees are creaking. Oh my goodness.
Is this gonna break?
I don't know. I gotta go to the bathroom, so I might pee myself. Uh-oh.
It's not creepy at all.
That's what I thought. Oh, God. Shoot.
Welcome to the chop shop.
The chop
Yeah,
shop.
the chop shop.
Someone may know me. He's dead. I'm the new one.
Oh, we
New
do know you.
chop shop, Charlie.
Yes, he got put through a wood chipper.
Oh my
Oh.
goodness.
I was sprayed
Oh,
out. For better or worse. Don't
Yeah.
mind Steve here. He's
he's just
I
hanging
wouldn't say
out.
hanging around,
He's hanging
but
around?
that's overused.
Uh-oh.
You're next.
You're next. You're. Oh my, this is very creepy. I feel like we're like in a little nightmare or something. Ooh. No, please don't grab the toes. Ooh, it makes some interesting noises too.
Oh my.
Oh, that toy is not child friendly. Oh, watch out, it's gonna bite us. It's gonna bite. Ooh.
It's a living bear.
Oh my goodness.
Stuffed animal.
Ooh, 1031.
Garage. It's crooked.
Buildings are crooked.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
Got
Why don't you stay?
This place looks
I'm
like
gonna
it's getting ready to
walk.
fall.
What happened to this house? It's crooked. It's a birthday party.
a birthday party. Is there cake?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Where's my birthday present?
The ghost. The
I
ghost back
forgot.
there took it.
You forgot it? You made me a birthday party and didn't bring me a birthday present? What's wrong with you?
Look, I brought you a
Queenie?
camera.
I don't want a camera. I want toys.
I brought one, but
I want toys.
I brought one, but the ghost took it back there.
Look at all her stuff. Don't lie to me.
I didn't. She go ask her. She took it.
No, give me.
She took
Give me
it.
a toy.
Here.
Where is it?
Here.
That's a rock.
It's a rock.
That's toy.
It's a special rock, though.
No, it's not.
It is because it came from me to you.
You guys are such meanies. I
You're
want a
very
toy.
ungrateful.
I am.
We got last East Pines. No school.
Uh-oh. Curfew, 8 p.m. So everybody
It's
should be
getting foggy.
not here.
Missing kids from
There's a
school.
lot of them. There's some missing.
You can hear the voices.
There's a lot of voices. Yeah. There is a kid. Okay, I'll try not to.
No window licking.
I mean, it's pretty hard to resist.
We're at the bus.
my windows. That's the end of my list.
Well, that's not too bad.
Windows, you end up like him, and you don't want to end up like him.
No, we don't.
Oh, yep. See, he's headless.
Yep, yep.
Nora, look at the spider web.
Okay. Ew, that's gross.
It's a real one.
Ew, no, no, no. Oh,
Oh, God.
where'd she come from?
I don't know.
Whose kid is that?
Look. Who's Brimstone Dye School.
That's cute. Oh man, there's some really crazy sounds coming from over this way. I don't know about it. Uh-oh, there's fall of the horizon.
Don't trust the bushes.
No, don't trust them.
Oh, look at the fog.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. See, I said don't trust the bushes.
No,
No.
don't trust them. That's not a bush though.
No,
Uh-uh.
not quite.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That is
Coming off the bridge.
some
no,
sort of
they're on the
ground. Whoa, it's on the boardwalk here. Time to go. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Something big coming out of here.
I hear it like
alligator.
making noise.
Oh, it's a big one.
Ooh. Oh my.
Alligator.
It's a very big alligator.
God.
Oh, look out, Tyler. Look out. Look out.
We're heading into the cemetery.
Uh-oh.
Lightning.
Springboro.
Springboro Haunted Hayride and Black Bog.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Thunder
oh.
cracks.
He just scared me, making noises. Hey.
Look at these skeletons.
Ooh. Well, that one's got some kind of. Oh, it's her roses.
Crypt.
Uh-oh.
Man.
Ooh, a vampire.
Crypt of the dead.
Tasty looking.
Oh, it's a vampire. Oh my, he's got.
No.
No.
No, thank you.
Mm-mm.
No bites. No biting.
I like the vampire.
Vampires always be biting.
Yeah, they are. Oh,
Oh,
I told
Yes.
you no biting.
yeah.
no biting.
I don't think we want to become immortal.
Nope, no biting.
Uh-oh, what is
Uh-oh.
that?
Trick or treat!
Oh,
Do you have any treats for me?
no.
No treats.
I'm sorry. No, I don't have any today. Oh, wait. Maybe we got something.
Have something?
Yes.
Can I see it?
It is a baby.
I don't eat those.
Oh, darn it. I'm
Well,
sorry.
Beggars can't be choosers now.
No. No, no.
Can I take your soul?
No,
Yes.
I'm using it.
There's a trick-or-treater here.
Oh, yeah. They might have candy.
Ooh.
Oh, look at the pumpkins. I think they've been there for a minute. Oh, she's back. Oh, that's another
Stalking us.
trick-or-treater. What was that? It's like a
Heading through the
vintage
kitchen.
style costume.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh, shoot. I was not
Angry.
expecting that.
There goes dinner. You did have to go to the bathroom.
I don't trust it.
It's a haunted porta potty.
What's gonna happen in here?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wheel from a pirate ship.
Weird people yelling at us from the walls.
Wow, welcome here to the crazy hospital room where
Crazy
your
hospital
life
room.
could be ended in a second and there's no going back.
That doesn't sound good at all.
Well, in this particular hospital, we don't save lives here
Oh. Why not?
because we kill them.
Oh. I see.
Doctor is ready to
Uh-oh.
play.
Uh-oh.
Are you ready to play?
Doctor?
You better hurry.
You better.
We're going to be late for the appointment. Oh, God.
Wheelchair.
That one didn't fare so well.
Nope.
Oh, Nora, wait till you get to the spiders.
No!
Are you ready for your checkup?
Yes. That's why I came.
Oh, that doesn't look good
Like I'm
either.
the best doctor there is.
Oh, I think that
When you
means.
get my bill, that's the scary part. Oh, I don't take any deductibles.
Oh, okay.
No deductibles. No, because I did not have an appointment.
Oh my.
Oh.
They got it.
It's a date.
Ambulance outside. Yep.
We got our appointment card. Uh-oh. That was not me.
Which side is he on?
I don't know. It sounds
they're
like they're
on both
both.
sides.
That one was on that side. And oh, yep.
Uh-oh.
See, double tap, both
Uh-oh.
sides.
Oh my.
This guy did not make it.
He touched it.
He
Yeah.
did.
Yep. Don't mess with the barrels.
Ooh, they got vanilla and chocolate.
It's not suspicious at all.
I know.
The posters.
Circus.
Smile.
Welcome! Welcome to Disney's World!
Where? Who?
Come on in!
Oh, goodness.
I believe we
Who
will.
came out of
It's
nowhere?
time to get dizzy with the clown! Come on
Dizzy?
in!
Getting dizzy.
Okay.
Right this way, yes! Dizzy!
Oh, it kind of
Dizzy.
Hang
smells.
on to the rails when you fall,
Sweet
it
in here.
sucks!
Okay, we'll hang on to the rails.
Oh, whoa. We got a crawler.
Oh, we do. Creepy crawler. I'm just gonna hide over here behind Joanna. Oh,
And then he goes away.
oh, where'd it go? That one's very effective.
Where'd you go?
Uh-oh.
I'm right here.
Oh, there you are.
Yes, definitely.
You want to play a game?
What are we
Do we
playing?
live?
Splatterbrain!
Doesn't sound good. Prefer not to play Splatterbrains.
I agree with you.